Good morning, the Doza fam. It is currently 7 o'clock in the morning here. We stayed up super late last night, so that's that. We're gonna get ready. Oh, my hair! We're gonna get ready now because we're gonna go to IKEA and we're gonna take you guys with us. Right?
It's gonna take like an hour to get there. It's so comfortable.
It's really cold outside. We don't want to get out of bed. By the way, today's Valentine's Day. We forgot that today was Valentine's Day. So, yeah.
Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. All right, we're going to get ready and we'll catch back with you guys later. Peace. We found the bed that we want, do you want brown though, or do you want black?
What was it, gray?
Black. The black color, but it's called the Malm Lori. Sorry if I'm butchering that, but we're gonna get this, which is this brown bed frame. Yeah, we're not the warehouse area. We're gonna get some containers for the kitchen. Right. Maybe grab like 3.
3?
Yeah. You don't know what we're gonna get it for. 3. So for lunch, for Valentine's Day lunch, we got the blueberry cheesecake, mushroom pasta. Sherwin's got his pork cutlet and 2 chicken. Yay!
And the cheesecake.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna eat and let you guys know what our review is gonna be.
I should have gotten a knife.
Okay.
It has a sweet taste to it.
Oh no. How's the rice?
Soft.
She's gonna spoon.
Slurp.
It's very cheesy.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. How is it?
Crunchy.
Crunchy? Soft? About to demolish this thing. Ready?
Are you ready?
Oh no.
She does this to herself all the time.
Smells like lemon.
Lemon?
It's like a lemony inside the wet part and a blueberry in the top. It's good though. That's soft.
He can't find his car.
Okay guys, we are out of IKEA finally.
After 3 hours.
Almost, yeah, about 3 hours, almost 3.5. Oh my god guys, I'm so tired. My back started hurting. We found some of the stuff we wanted. We are still in a hunt for a drawer thing for our hallway next to our bedroom.
And a bed frame.
A bed frame, but we're not gonna get a bed frame today though.
Yeah, we're just looking right now.
Yeah, and I would have thought that IKEA would have a lot of like baskets, but they didn't. They didn't have the ones that I wanted, at least, and they're like, or the size that I want. So we're gonna go check out Ashley's furniture right now and see if they have some there.
It's drizzling.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow in the what, next couple of days. So,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go to Ashley's furniture. All right, we'll see you guys in just a little bit.
We're gonna go check out a twosome place.
Some. That's kind of sounds a little wrong.
Look, there's a lot of coffee places. Coffee twosome place.
Do you want to walk around here, see what's around here?
Yeah. So we wanted to try this one because we always see it around everywhere. So let's go.
Go.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Taste it.
So we're just walking around this little village. There's some unique stores. A lot of stores are closed though because today is Sunday and it's the Lunar New Year weekend. So
It's mostly cafes.
yeah. We just found a really cute puppy or dog cafe. It's called Heidi. But we can't go inside because
Heidi Pet.
why can't we go inside? Because we're restricted. As military personnel, we can't go into certain stores. We can't sit down in restaurants.
No.
Starting tomorrow, we can.
Yeah.
Oh, look! Oh my god! Hi! Hi, oh my god, you're so cute! Gonna go back on the road, so we have to get our famous unigiri from our favorite convenience store so far.
Tuna mayo.
We love GS25 only because it has the tuna mayo that we love. Alright guys, we are finally home from IKEA. I am so tired. We were out for like 8 hours. Yeah?
Yeah, we left at 9, got to IKEA at like 10.
Oh.
Stayed there for like 3 hours.
Mm-hmm. And we just got home and it's like 6 o'clock now, so we're so tired. And then we're gonna go out again tomorrow, and I probably will vlog again tomorrow just to take you guys out because we haven't done a travel video in so long, and we want to document this Korea experience. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Oh, also, I don't know if you guys want me to, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but a haul, I guess, because of all the IKEA stuff we bought. Sherwin's already fixing one of them.
Yeah, my stool.
His stool for when he has to go to work. It has to go out in the front where all our shoes are at. Because he says he has a hard time putting his shoes on, or like his boots on in the morning. Sherwin is like the best. Today is Valentine's Day. He got me this for Valentine's Day, guys. I am so excited. So if you know me, I don't like to buy my own figures because it's not sentimental enough if I buy my own figures. So I love it when people give me action figures like these. So yeah, thanks, babe. I love you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna unbox this for you guys right now. So I love Nezuko. This is my second Nezuko piece, and it's gonna be a lot bigger than the first one I have, and I'm so excited. Okay, let's unbox this, guys. Nezuko. Okay, I'm gonna use my nail to open the seal. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, she's huge. They have this really huge box just for this small figure. But I love the box, so I'm probably gonna keep it. I love the pink. Look at her! She's so cute! Okay, let me open this up. Oh. So we're actually planning on buying like a whole like cubby looking thing for our action figures. Right? From IKEA.
Yeah. What's it?
Look at her, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, it's so cute. There's a smaller one, but I wanted this big one. She's so pretty. Yeah. All right, you guys, we are gonna call it a night. We're gonna have some dinner and eat, and then
We're gonna have hot pot tonight again.
you guys already seen our other hot pot videos. Like I said, we're gonna utilize this stove so much while we're here. But yeah, we're gonna go. Anyway, like this video if you guys enjoy coming to IKEA with us and shopping, and
Hope you enjoyed the adventure.
yeah, adventure.
Adventure.
Yes.
Adventure.
And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you guys want to. We are a travel vlog. Food vlog. Vlog. I'm blogging, you're blogging.
I can't talk right now.
Anyway, alright guys. Peace.
Peace.